Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube history from Google. So open any browser and you can go to myactivity.google.com, or you can open Google Chrome and sign into your account. Now click your profile in the top right, then select manage your Google account. Next, on the left side, select data and privacy. Next, select my activity. Next, scroll down and select YouTube history. So let's turn this on. So if you want to delete your YouTube history, so you can choose auto delete right here. Then select auto delete activity older than 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Then click next, click got it. Or you can also turn it off by clicking turn off right here. Then click pause and click got it. So it will not save any YouTube history or new YouTube history. Now, if you go back to myactivity.google.com page, so you can scroll down from here and you can also filter by date and product. And you can click this delete button. You can choose all time, confirm the action, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.